Hello, friends. Today we're going to be segmenting words. Remember, when we segment, we're going to say the whole word and then we're going to break the word apart. Okay? So we're going to say the word and then we're going to break it apart. Watch me. Goldfish. Goldfish. You try it. Goldfish. Goldfish. Birdhouse. Bird house. Backpack. Backpack. You try it with me. All right. Popcorn. Popcorn. You try it. Into. Into. You try it. Someone. Someone. You try it. Upstairs. Upstairs. You try it. Hot dog. Hot dog. Something. Something. Shine. Let's do one more. Cupcake. Cupcake. Shine. Good job, friends. Excellent job segmenting today.